One of the things that's extremely important to me as a business owner is being able to trust the people that come out and service our equipment. Hi, I'm Geoff MacIntosh. I'm one of the owners of Bernie's in Rancho Mirage. The reason that I called Nexgen initially was because it was the middle of summer and I just couldn't get the bar under 80 degrees. Because we have 9 units, when we have a unit out, it throws the entire building into chaos. Nexgen has replaced 3 of our 9 air conditioning units. A friend of mine said, if you need air conditioning work, the only one that you should call is Nexgen. The installation was just seamless. They did all of the work before 4 o'clock in the afternoon, which is when we open. They were here bright and early. They did the installation and they had us up and operating the same day. Getting things done rapidly for me has been critically important. If someone contacted me and said that they were having trouble with their heat and air conditioning systems, the first words out of my mouth would be call Nexgen. You can count on them, the pricing will be fair, they'll get the job done efficiently, and you can absolutely trust them.